Good day, ladies and gentlemen. Ball pen, pencil pen, pen, discard pen. Ay, sorry. Nakalimutan ko, public speaking pala to. Okay, let's get back to our topic. I would love to talk about the more fascinating and incredible system in our human body, the nervous system. Have you ever felt sad, angry, happy, and every time you felt relaxed, especially when an adrenaline kicks in, every time you feel like something's off, where you're panicking because you know you did something wrong, that your mother is incredibly mad at you and you don't know what will happen once you tell her? Well, every time you touch something hot or even cold, very cold, that your skin tells you to pull it away. That's basically your nervous system trying to tell you that your body is in danger. And every time you speak, walk, laugh, or even dream about something or someone you admire, someone you like, and even if you talk to them, it's your nervous system that helps you make words for you to speak and for you to keep the conversation ongoing. Nervous system is just like your mother. It guides you every step you take. Every time you think about something, doing something, and trying to think about something, your nervous system is there to help you. If you learn a new skill, whether it's playing an instrument or solving a math problem, your brain creates new connections, just like trying to talk to yourself except inside your mind only. But that's your nervous system echoing inside your body. And from everyday activities, your nervous system is at work. The way it functions every time, like moving on something or reading a book, studying math, making something new. We need to take good care of our nervous system, especially by getting enough sleep, by doing daily exercises, by doing something that can improve our body health, managing stress, eating healthy, exercising regularly, and avoiding harmful substances to protect our body and nerves that can strengthen our mind and our nervous system as well. And again, the nervous system is the reason you are able to understand what I'm trying to talk about or explain right now. So thank you for lending me your ears and thank you for talking to me. Again, my name is Ozzy Jazz H. Basco and I am in group